Yes, I was afraid to get dental implants, but I ended up getting all of my teeth replaced, and it was totally worth it. Right now, my dental implants are all on 4, top and bottom. These are my second set of temporary teeth, and I'm waiting for my finals in about a month. So because I'm in my second set of temporary teeth, I can't eat harder foods like steak or things that require chewing as much, but I'm looking forward to that once I get my finals. Before the procedure, I couldn't eat like an apple. I couldn't bite into an apple because I was afraid my front tooth would break out. I couldn't eat like corn on the cob, but I was just worried about more teeth breaking if I ate something hard. I didn't have any cavities until I was 21. And after that, my teeth started cracking and breaking, and then started developing cavities that showed more in the front. And that's when I started not opening my mouth much, not smiling. Every time I'd laugh, I had to cover my mouth, and then that's when I started looking into getting implants or dentures or something, and heard about the all-on-4 process. So right after the surgery, I had to eat soft foods for about a month. And after the implants heal, you can slowly eat harder and harder foods and normal foods again. I was eating mostly soup, a lot of soups, protein bars, soft protein bars, bread, sometimes toast. Yeah, I never used to even look at my teeth in the mirror for many, many years, and now I do every day. Just am amazed at the difference it makes. It's improved my life substantially. So now I can smile, I can laugh, I don't have to hide my face anymore, hide my teeth. When my wife saw it, when she picked me up here, she was amazed at the difference. Most of my friends really never saw my old teeth, but I showed them all my new teeth, like the second day after I got home, and they were amazed. Not being able to smile was affecting, actually, for me the most was having my picture taken. Like on family vacations, I would smile with my mouth closed, or not smile at all, and my family always said, "Why don't you smile?" And I couldn't really tell them. I was kind of embarrassed about my teeth, because when I was younger, I had a great smile and always smiled in photos, but I haven't smiled in a photo for probably 20 years now since teeth looked bad. It was just in general that anytime I'd go out with friends in public, basically, I'd try not to smile. And that also kind of limited me going out too. I just wouldn't go out as much as I used to when I was younger, People probably thought I was much quieter than I generally was. And by nature, I'm kind of a quiet person. I don't talk too much, but I just wouldn't engage people in public as much as I normally would have. The last holiday season, Thanksgiving and Christmas, were the first times in many years I've been able to smile in a family photo, and I love it. I don't have any regrets at all that I can think of for getting the procedure. I think it'll improve my life tremendously. And if you're afraid to get the procedure done, I would highly recommend it. I was scared stiff. I had anxiety before this, and that's kind of gone now, actually. I guess it was social anxiety. But it was a little hard for a couple weeks, but I did it. I think anybody can do it.